Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma rear-wheel drive maintenance light reset. Now, there's two type of reset on this particular vehicle, and I will show you how to reset both ways. So the first is you can start by turn on your car without starting, and go ahead and press this button right here to go find ODO, and you can stay there and go ahead and turn off your car, and at the same time press and hold this button and turn your car on without starting. Give it a second and you should see the blinking running like that. I'm not gonna finish it. You should finish it. Let it blink all down, and you'll be done. Now the reason why I didn't let it finish, because I'm going to show you the second way of resetting it. You're still gonna have to have your car on without starting, and you're gonna be using these buttons over here on the right side of the steering column: up, down, left, right, the dotted button for enter, and back. Okay, now go ahead and use the back button. Now go ahead and click right to find your page, which is here in setting. Now when you get here, go down to setting, enter on setting, go all the way down to maintenance, as I'm already there. Every time you see this, go ahead and click back, click on maintenance, scroll up to yes, click on yes, and there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.